Hey everyone, Sire here. I got my Flavor of the Month card kit this morning. Just arrived home, it's 10:15, but I'm too excited to not open it now. One thing that's interesting is on the back, it does say August, Flavor of the Month. So I'm not sure what to expect in here because I also went online and I did not find the ingredient sheet for 2020. So it will be a surprise. As always, it always is. I make sure I don't check online because I really want to be surprised when I open these. This is the best part. So I am just going to open it and reveal that there is some tissue paper and some stuff in here. And then I'm going to bring it one by one. Okay, so we'll start off with the paper. There's always the two Classic Crest Smooth Solar White neon paper. But like I said, I don't actually have the ingredient sheet, so I'm going to guess. This looks like it would be black licorice. This is a type of craft. Maybe lemon something or other. Whipping cream, I don't know, totally guessing. Chocolate, and I would say orange fizz. And the reason I'm just saying those colors is because if they are pop tone, that's what they look like. So that's the paper. I'll put that aside. And once again, I do not know which order any of these come in because I don't have the ingredient sheet. So normally I have it as a reference as I'm video recording so that I can quickly glance over and explain. But I don't have it, so I will have to mark that later. But every card does come with an envelope. And we'll start with the paper. It does come with this nice plaid with the different colors, the black and white. You have red and black. This looks like kind of like a dusty black. Another smaller ones are the same colors. And on the reverse side, it is solid colors that match the plaid very well. So you have two that are plaids on both sides, but then the rest are these solid colors. So that's really nice because a lot of the times we get the packs, they're just all pattern paper. So now you can actually use these to matte as well. So that's actually really nice to see. In this kit, you also get a little flag. So you can either you can stamp that. It has a nice scalloped look, both sides. You could stamp that. You can color it. It is just white paper. Comes with some enamel dots, which is very close to the paper here, and it is that browny, dusty cream color, but it's a nice color. And you get a Scrapping for Less stamp called Roam Free, and it has a buffalo, and it has some sediments that says Roam Free, Stand Your Ground, which looks like it's two pieces, so it's not together, so you can separate them, or you can stamp them separate. And Don't Get Buffaloed, Have a Wild Birthday. And that's nice. Now we can have a nice birthday card with this kit. And then you have this fun little buffalo. So that's that. Once again, I don't know what number this is, but let's just call it potential number 1. Okay, with the potential number 2, we do come with an envelope, which comes with every collection. Now with this collection we have, and I believe this is all Scrapping for Less's paper, and it has this fun design, squiggly. This looks almost like a sweater, and we have some shapes, and all the colors are coordinating pretty well. There's some pattern here, and you can almost see this green effect that's kind of shadowing it. This one's really nice. So far, This is my favorite one. I really like that pattern. The color combination is really nice. And I like the little offset circles. And then we have a nice leaf design, and it also has this stripes that are going back. They're faded, but so you can kind of see them. And now if we flip it over, once again, there's those stripes and a brown, another pretty blue. This is really nice. I wonder if it's the same. No, with the not rainbows, but they almost look like rainbows. There's that sweater again. Oh, that's fun. that's really fun. And all these colors match very well. This almost looks like corduroy. Actually, I have a bag that's that. I have pants that was that color too. In this kit, you also get a piece of yarn or string. It does match. It's kind of a cappuccino color in white, striped. And another stamp set from Scrapping for Less, and this is called Gnome What, and it has a bunch of gnomes. This is a one big stamp. Then it has Gnome What, the gnomes made me do it. That's a good one. I should use that. And you are awesome. That alone is an awesome statement. I like sentiments that are powerful, that are not powerful, that are. Sorry, it's late. I'm tired. It's a nice sentiment. Let's put it that way. So that is this collection. Okay, for number 3, we get another envelope. And we have some more Scrapping for Less paper. Now this one is really bold. Really bright blue. And then in between it has this glitter. So it looks like each one of these is going to be that combination of glitter paper, which is not real glitter, it's just a photo of glitter, and the really bright blue designs. So we have chevrons and then stripes, and we flip this over, we get some more bright blue and that gold, and it's all the same. Even though you can't really see the glitter, it's that same color. I think it's using the image, and it's just doing different techniques with the color. There you go. So, paper. It does come with absolutely gorgeous silver enamel dots. These are really sparkly. You can see that in the camera. So sweet. Oh my goodness, look at this. And we actually get a nice, this is glitter paper. It does flake a little bit, but it's a nice weight to it, and it matches this glitter very well. So, oh my goodness. Don't scrape it like I did, because you're gonna get glitter everywhere, but it's very pretty. And then it comes with a stamp set from Scrapping for Less called Royal Birthday King. You get a Birthday King, which would be really nice for, I believe, a masculine card. A crown, and King for the Day. So that's really nice. And that is for this potential collection 3. Okay, for the next kit, we have another envelope, which comes with each collection. And then the paper that comes from Scrapping for Less. And by the looks of it, it looks like type of a construction type of paper, because there's your orange and yellows, which kind of matches the traffic cones and all the construction workers, screwdrivers, and this is really nice actually. This is very simple and bold, very bold, but yet it's really drawing my eye. I really enjoy that. I can see this as being a really beautiful kids card, birthday card. And then if we flip it over, we have some saws, and then plaid, and here's another simple card. This one's really nice as well. And this one's actually really nice as well for the same thing for kids, or even or your partner's card or whatever. It's just really clean. I really like the clean design, and It's busy, but it's clean. It's just nice color combination. And this actually looks like it would match the paper very well that comes in the kit. This one is different. I don't know how I would use this as actual background, but maybe you can cut these off and use them as the sediments because they do have nice phrases like grandpa can fix that. Oh, grandpa can fix anything. That's sweet. Happy birthday to my favorite handyman. Congratulations, you nailed it. And thanks for fixing everything. So you could actually use these as the sediments. It also comes with, it looks like some very, very thin chipboard. So this is almost like when you have those bulletin boards in your house and they have that chipboard and it's just a layer that's glued on. So it kind of looks like that. It's not thick at all, but it is sticky on the other side. It comes with some orange enamel dots. Now these ones are, I would call them kind of like see-through. So it looks like the orange would be on the bottom and you can see through them where they're not opaque. And then of course it comes with a stamp set, Sunny Studios. Now I had a lot of fun with last month's Sunny Studio stamp set because of the little images and I could actually create a scene. I don't know if I'll be able to create a scene with these few pieces, but you never know. See where my inspiration takes me. So that is that kit. Or sorry, collection. Now that was the 4 collections, and in the box there's actually some other things that don't fit in the bags, but because I don't have the ingredient sheet in front of me, I don't know where they came from. But here's some more enamel dots. These are similar to the ones I just showed, but these are opaque. So if you look at these, I keep not showing you on camera. These are opaque. They're not see-through like the last ones, and they just give you a different effect, and yet they're still that orange, and they would match that cardstock that's right here pretty well. So I'm not sure which kit that came in. I think it actually fell out when I opened one of them. Another package, which I don't know which collection it comes from, is called Stickos. They are clear stickers. If we can just open this up. And they are of trees. And I see some pine cones, and so they're just see-through stickers. Can we get those off? Yeah. Don't feel. So they're realistic trees. So that's kind of fun. It would be interesting to see what I can do with this. I have not played with stickers on cards before like this. But this is, like I said, this is the reason I love these card kits, because it forces me to be creative, and you know, that's the exciting part. And then we get another, I'm thinking of the last card kit. We get a scrapping for less 6x6 stencil, and it has crowns. So I'm going to put my money on this. Came with the collection that had the really bright blue and gold paper. I had a lot of fun with the last stencil for January. It was a Valentine one. And so I am going to see what I can do with this one, try to do something with it. And yes, this looks really good. So those are the 3 things that fell out. Well, sorry, I think the orange one fell out, and these 2 were on the inside the box. Now I do splurge and buy the banana split. So the first 4 collections I showed you is your monthly kit. If you pay a little extra, you get the banana split. And in the banana split, you usually get the fun stuff, the little bonuses. And this is why I get it, because it gives me new things to play with. So I will start with the sequence. You do get a little bag of sequences, which matches the cardstock pretty well. It has the blue, orange, and white. But if you really take a look at those orange ones, they are little discs. They're circles with rings around them, unlike the sequences, the blue and the white ones, which are the more traditional. So that's real fun. I have not used up my last sequences. I was going to make a shaker card. I have not yet to do that, but I just like sticking them on the cards, so I never get around to actually making a shaker card. You do get this die cut, and based on the shape and the confirmation of me reading Gnome What Stamp, I'm going to make the conclusion that this is what dies out those gnomes in that one collection. So this is very handy. I don't have to fussy cut now. So you get that one. And you get a little distressed ink Mermaid Lagoon. I don't know if everyone will get this, if it changes for each person, but this is the one I got. And I am very excited. I do not have many distress inks. I slowly am buying them when I have a need. So to get one I don't have is amazing. So I will make sure I use this one at least once in my cards. So that is everything that is received. I don't believe this was the August card kit as it said on the back of the box, because I had it opened and last year's August one was wild animals or something of the sort. So I believe this was truly February's, and awesome stuff. I am very excited to see what type of cards I get to make with this, and I will be going on vacation, so I will have to postpone my card making video probably by a week, but I will bring them as soon as I can. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.